staring at anyway? You peed again! You're such a dog. And I found this dog. He's a stray. He's so cute. Look at him. Anyway, I'm going to try to train the dog to dig under the wall so I can jump into the tunnel and dig to China. Does he go to China? So anytime I'm bored and everything and I want to do something instead of watching TV, all I have to do is go for the tunnel and I'm at China. Yeah, yesterday I was watching this awesome new TV show. It's about poo. Ew, the dog just poo. All right, now I'm going to put the shovels on your feet and head and dig to China.